everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Android phone's phone settings. So if something's wrong with it, you can reset this without losing your data. Just go to settings in the top right. Now depending on your version of Android, your phone, whatever, you can just go to search and just type in settings. There should be an option for reset all settings. So under my Samsung phone, it's just called general management, so I can scroll on down and I can go to general management or about phone. There should be an option in here for reset, and you can back up your phone temporarily on Samsung for 30 days. You get unlimited storage, and you can just go to restore data after you back it up. But we can just go to reset all settings right here. Security settings won't be reset, language settings, accounts, personal data, settings for downloaded apps. So your personal data is not going to be deleted, it's just going to be the settings, and your account won't be affected either. So if you got some weird issue, just hit this reset all settings right there. Maybe your home screen's messed up, maybe your colors are messed up, maybe the screen size is really weird. Just hit reset all settings and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.